Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best shower caulk you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best shower caulk in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Gorilla Clear 100% Silicone Sealant Caulk. Gorilla's adhesives are known for being superior to the competition, and this clear sealant caulk is no exception. This 100% silicone caulk easily adheres to most surfaces to form a mold and mildew resistant barrier. It will not shrink or crack like some siliconized caulks and will remain flexible throughout its life. It dries in 30 minutes, making it ideal for quick repairs or even complete bathroom installations. We discovered Gorilla Clear 100% silicone sealant caulk to be a high-quality product during testing. It was simple to apply and formed a strong bond with the shower surround. We found it to be barely noticeable once dry, and the fact that it remains flexible and won't yellow leads us to believe it will remain so. While it cannot be painted, this product will work on any seam that requires waterproofing but does not require a coat of paint. We also liked how well it flowed, how easy it was to tool, and how it wasn't too sticky to tool with a wet finger. For details, let's watch more. Our second best shower caulk is Gorilla White Silicone Sealant Caulk. Gorilla Sealant is great for kitchen, bath, window, doors, auto, marine plumbing, gutters and more. Ready for water exposure in just 30 minutes, this waterproof sealant is mold and mildew resistant. Tough, white 100% silicone sealant. The clear silicone sealant and won't yellow, shrink or crack over time. Directions: all surfaces should be clean and free of dirt, grease, oil and old sealant. Best if used above 40F. Cut tip to desired bead size. Apply sealant with a caulking gun. Smooth bead immediately after application, before a skin forms. Store in cool, dry location. Clean up, wipe wet sealant off, project immediately with a dry cloth. This product is easy to apply, and it also even easier to clean up. A wet rag is all it took to clean some excess from the tub surface. Third pick in our list is GE Sealants and Adhesives Silicone Sealant. This 100% silicone formula offers ultimate protection from water damage, providing a reliable seal in areas prone to consistent water exposure. A quick drying caulk is useless if the DIYer has to redo it because it shrinks and cracks. That is not true of GE's Supreme Silicone. This unique formula forms a waterproof and mold-resistant barrier that will not shrink, crack, or yellow over time. Even better, it does it in just 30 minutes while drying. Resists stain-causing mold and mildew growth, stays permanently flexible with excellent adhesion and provides a long-lasting, waterproof seal. Withstands extreme expansion or contraction associated with temperature fluctuations. In our test tub and shower, we used Supreme Silicone along the longest seam and were very pleased with the results. It not only flowed well, but it was also relatively simple to clean up after. This bead dried in 30 minutes, and the bright white caulk finished the seam nicely. We did have a relatively large gap in the bottom of the surround that required a bit more attention, and the 30-minute dry time was a huge help. Get high-quality results, guaranteed for as long as you own your home. Number 4 on our side is GEGE 5000 Advanced Silicone Sealant. This brand is one of the best silicone brand, Advanced Silicone 2 Window and Door Sealant is a high-performance, 100% silicone and 100% weatherproof sealant formulated to protect areas susceptible to harsh weather. These areas include windows, doors, siding, trim, molding, baseboards, vents, basements, attics and around wires and pipes. Its 30-minute rain-ready formula offers 40% more flexibility than Class 25 sealants and is 5x stronger than silicone. This 100% silicone formula offers excellent protection from water damage, providing a reliable seal in areas prone to consistent weather and water exposure. Protects against stain causing mold and mildew water damage. Stays permanently flexible with strong adhesion and provides a durable seal for exterior and interior projects. Withstands extreme expansion or contraction associated with temperature fluctuations. Resists freezing temperatures and UV degradation for a permanently flexible seal. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best shower caulk list is Apel Multipurpose 100% Silicone Sealant. With strong or hazardous chemical smells when using our sealant, as this silicone caulk is low odor. It is 100% silicone polymer and includes solvents. This 100% silicone is simple to apply, and rain ready in 24 to 48 hours. To use the silicone sealant, you will need to clamp the surfaces together while the clear silicone dries. Remove excess silicone with mineral spirits. This 100% silicone sealant is both strong and flexible. When used to seal gaps and fill in cracks, the clear silicone sealant stays firmly in place without shrinking or cracking. The Weather Shield silicone can be used in many different projects. The silicone caulk is perfect to fill sink and shower gaps, or to seal cracks around windows. The thick thixotropic material can be easily applied to vertical surfaces. The clear silicone won't run or drip, allowing for maximum application and bonding for your project. When properly applied, our Weather Shield silicone sealant is suited to outdoor usage. The silicone caulk is waterproof and resists degradation from the sun's UV rays. It won't yellow over time and will hold steady in place.